Here's some of the furniture, you guys. Toilet, the restroom.
Mom, we don't have time for a camera. We're here to.
We are shopping for the new house again. We came to Bob's Furniture, you guys. We came to Bob Furniture. We came to Bob's shop. See this? The kids want to pee. They want to pee. Just take a look around. This is $7.99.
Can we go?
We're still looking around. This is another set of share. Look at this. The kid cannot make us use this kind of. Look at this bed, you guys. Stephen, what's that? Look at this bed. See the price.
This bed is so comfy.
I think this is the queen size. This is another one. Wow. Look at this set. Just take a look at it. It's so beautiful. And this is the bed. I think everything is $2,099. She completed in $2,099. Eh? Wow. This is the complete $2,099. You guys, don't dare it. Don't dare bring children to shopping. They'll just be doing anyhow, you guys. So we are here. See this is $299. What Domino is jumping on. And look at that bedding. The bedding set. $2,299. That's the price. It's really beautiful. It's so beautiful. You see this sofa, so beautiful. To set up a house is no big joke. See another set, no big joke.
A few moments later.
Can I have watermelon?
You guys came back inside the car because we couldn't do anything there, so we'll come back later. Because of the kids, dare not take kids for shopping like that, you guys. Hey guys, we are at the new house, so the things that we want to get, like the fridge and every other thing, they just brought it now. You guys can see the van outside here, so they want to bring it in now. Our fridge, our washer and dryer. So I'll still do the home tour for you guys to see. So, the keys are here now.
Can I have more water?
As for all the things we bought for this our house, we got it from Best Buy and Lowe's. That was where we bought all the gadgets, the fridge, the dishwasher, the 2-in-1 dryer and washer. You guys, I love the 2-in-1 washer and dryer. It's a AI system which is really efficient. Like, I love it. And these are the things when we were just trying to deliver everything, yeah, when we were trying to set up the new house. Yeah, and you guys, this stove is very efficient, but if care is not taken, it will burn your food Yeah, so you have to set it on low or medium sometimes. So I really love it, and this is me when we were just trying to pack in and settle up things in the new house then. So you guys, we have the vlog on the channel, just check it out. Yeah, these are some of the video from my camera that I just saw, and I thought to just post them. And this is the new washer and dryer. It's a two-in-one. It's so efficient, you guys. I'm recommending it for those people that want this for their home. It's really efficient. So thank you for watching. Although it's a mini vlog, I appreciate you. Subscribe and turn on notifications.